Hey guys, in today's video we're going to review the True Fresh Coffee Making Cleaner tablets. What this does, deep cleans and descales your coffee maker. Is compatible with most single-use coffee making machines. True Fresh sent me this to try out, so we're going to try it out together and see if this really works. First thing we want to do is read the instructions. As you can see right here, it shows you it can be used for all coffee makers. As long as they have like a water tank reservoir on the side of it, or you can pour water into it, you can use these deep cleaning descaling tablets. As you see, here's the features right here. It removes buildup, removes lime scale, it cleans the internal parts, where things get stuck, and it protects the machine going forward, so you can try to hopefully not get those coffee grinds and buildup of coffee in the machine there. So now we're going to go over to our Keurig right here and fill it up with water so we can drop the deep cleaning descaling tablets in the water tank so we can start cleaning. So I filled up the water tank to the max line as is recommended to do, but you also want to remove your water filter from here. You want to remove this with the filter that's in there because you don't want that to get chemicals on it from the coffee maker cleaner here. So remove that from the coffee maker water tank before you drop the tablets in. So here's the box of tablets. You get 24 in there, so you want your supply. What you want to do is you want to cut these open with some scissors because this is an irritant, so you want to make sure you don't get this on your hands. So once you cut it open, we can go ahead and drop it in there. We get our scissors, give it a cut. This is what the tablet looks like right here. Now we're ready to drop it in, like so. As you can see, you can start seeing it work as soon as you drop it in there. So we wait for the tablet to dissolve so we can get that deep cleaning that you need. And once it dissolves, then we're going to brew it on the 2 highest water settings that you have for your coffee maker. So now we want to brew it on the highest cup setting for this Keurig 2.0 is 6. So we're going to brew this 2 times so we can get the full descaling effect of the tablets. So we go ahead, hit brew, it's already set to 6. And now you're going to see the solution mix with the water and to clean the coffee maker here. So we let it run. As you can see, it's coming out, cleaning. And as you can see, the solution that cleans it is starting to come out with it and get all the dirt, oil, coffee grinds, and other residue that's normally stuck in these machines. So that was the first cycle. We'll brew it one more time and we'll see how the water looks. Alright, started brewing it the second time around, and let's see how much more dirt. You want to keep doing this until at least it shows clear to know that it's completely clean, depending on how dirty your machine is. But as you can see, 1 tablet is definitely enough. So far I am seeing results with this True Fresh coffee maker cleaner. Okay, the second brew cycle is done. As you can see, it's still showing coffee grinds in there. So like I said, it's definitely working and definitely cleaning it. So I'll continue to brew it one more time and see how clean it gets from there. Now that you're finished descaling the machine, you want to definitely clean out the water reservoir. So you want to take it out, clean it, rinse it with soap if you have to. If you don't have a water removable tank, then you just go ahead and make sure you run some water through it just a couple more times so you can make sure you're definitely cleansing out all the chemicals on there, and then you should be good to go to start brewing fresh coffee again. And that's it, guys. We're all done. So would I recommend a True Fresh coffee maker cleaner? Is yes, because we see it also descales, deep cleans, and removed all that buildup from our coffee. And I just have a cup right there, and it definitely tastes way better.